This is one of our Warrior Plus vendor accounts, and today we made $3,349. Yesterday, $3,881. In last 30 days, $51,000. In last month, we made $45,000. It's pretty good numbers, right? It's really good numbers, and really good numbers for a lot of people. But what if I told you these are not the most important numbers in this screenshot or on this screen? The most important numbers are these, the visitors, and the hops, which are also the visitor. These are the customers who paid us all this money. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can get customers through reading. And I'm not going to tell you what other YouTubers tell you about read and make money. It's a total different approach. And you will be using my artificial intelligence software, Epic, that we use to get customers just like this. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows us to make videos just like this, but not videos with cameras and microphone. In our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and we don't use microphones to record ourselves. We use Epic. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence, then turn those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and then Epic makes videos using image, texts, and link. And Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos, 1 second to 1 minute or any length of videos, and then compile them to any length video. This way, we focus on making 10 seconds to 1 minute long videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our times and get customers just like this. And Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we cannot achieve these numbers without your help. All we need from you is hitting the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook, Twitter timelines, and let everybody know about how easy it is to make money online. And they all access to our softwares free as well. Links are all in the description, and they will love you and they will follow you for sharing this awesome information, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we attract customers. We share real information already available on the internet, but because we tell the truth, people trust us, they believe in our authority, and they buy from us. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it starting today. Of course, using my softwares if you want. Links are all in the description. Go grab them. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin and get some customers for you right now. At the beginning, I wanted to share with you how easy it is to get hot news and information from Google News. And I opened this news and I started reading, and I thought about, oh my God, it's a long story. I have to read and understand. And probably a lot of my viewers and customers have the same issues just like me, and they're challenged readers. So I looked at Udemy, whether there is course about reading, and I found there are courses. Yes, the course prices are $94, $84, $94, and they are about speed reading, fast learning, and there are lots of positive feedbacks. Like this one, let me show you. This particular course, which is basically bundle of videos and nothing else, have 16,303 students. They paid on the average $84.99. So, hey Siri, how much is 16,303 times 84.99?
16,303 times 84.99 is 1,385,591.97.
$1.3 million. So $1.3 million was earned from 16,000 paying students from Udemy. Okay, awesome. I saw some money and I'm curious now. So I went to YouTube and I wanted to see how many people search for speed reading, and turned out 428,000 people every single month look for speed reading. And look at a couple of videos, 428,000 total views. This video got 2.4 million views. This one got 3.2 million views, and this one got 426,000 views. This channel that made this video has got 23,000 subscribers, and according to Social Blade, they make $1,300 monthly earnings only from AdSense alone. Okay, it's getting cooler and cooler. Now I went to my favorite keyword research software. You can use anyone you want. And I searched with speed reading and read. Guess what I found? There are 700,000 keywords, related keywords. These keywords are related to reading. And read has 200,000 monthly search and speed reading has 8,100 monthly search. These people need to learn how to read fast. And this is why so many people are making money from teaching, learning, reading. Awesome. Okay. So how can we make money from this? Here is the secret. What we do is we find keywords and industries and topics like these where are lots of customers. They're looking for solutions to their problems. And then we go to popular courses like this and go to the course content section, expand all sections, and we look for what people are teaching. All these videos are basically 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute long videos. They are advice videos, nothing else, nothing special. And all these advice are basically already on YouTube and on other websites. We go on, watch, even sometimes take courses and learn from these courses. We take notes on pens and papers, and sometimes we simply use our software Epic to take notes. As we take notes, we take screenshot just like this and go take a screenshot and copy this screenshot. Then we go to Epic. In the image section, we click here and Control V. The image is here. Click upload. The image is uploaded, and then we just use this image and put it on the canvas. And we simply talk about it. Either we talk about it, or we use our other features to add text, or we use the AI to generate text for us. And then we take that text and go to the audio section. Either we record ourselves or upload videos, or simply we use that text to audio section. Simply use the text to audio section, click add, give it a title, select our favorite voiceover. We take text from anywhere, Control V, click submit, and that text turns into natural sounding voiceover. We add them, render them, make videos, 1 minute long videos, publish them on YouTube, and in our videos, we ask our customers or our viewers to click the links in the description and the first comment and in the bios and buy from us. And in those links, we promote affiliate offers, just like these offers. So if I am teaching in my videos how to read fast, I would promote a popular course just like this, or maybe an app or a software that helps fast learning or speed reading. When people love our content, they trust us because we are telling the truth, giving them free advice. They follow our instruction and click the links. These are the clicks, and from those clicks, these money are generated. Now you might be asking, why am I talking about short videos, 1 minute long videos? Let me show you the reason. I just used my phone and searched with the keyword read. And on the shorts feed, you can see videos, right? Can you see the number of views? These are all 1 minute long videos. Let me read it for you. The first video has got 578,000 views. The second one got 5.1 million views. The third one's 161,000 views. Can you see the numbers clearly? These views are equals these clicks or the visitors. These views are these clicks that generate all this money. All this starts with our software Epic. And in the later part of the video, we will show you how we make any kind of videos using Epic. So let's go summary. We find problem and we see whether customers, money paying customers, really have this kind of problems or not, and what are they asking, what kind of problems they have about this topic. And from Udemy and from other platforms, we make sure that there are customers who are ready with their credit cards to solve their problems. We do our little research and figure out what content we are going to make about it. And then we simply use our software Epic and make 1 minute long advice video, helpful answer to questions videos, and publish them on YouTube, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying their best to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Even Facebook started their own Reels, and that is why YouTube is sending thousands of viewers and customers to the Shorts, and Shorts creators are getting free customers. This is exactly what we are doing, helping people getting answers, getting clicks from them. Clicks turn into money, and we are making money. Super simple. Hundreds of other affiliates are doing it. You can do it too. Start today. They all start from the software Epic that allows you to make videos without recording yourself, without using camera, microphone, without writing script. And you can make bite-sized videos or any size videos, save them as project, and render them anytime you want, download and upload, full freedom of money. Sounds good? Go ahead. Grab Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator, artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text to audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way, and we don't want to stop here. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, and we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hitting the like button, share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. Your friends and family will love you for sharing this awesome information. This way you help us help others, and your friends and family will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of people are making money and you can do it too. Go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.